We arrived! Finally, after 1 hour waiting in Stockholm.
Inside of the plane without food.
We got here, no thanks to the air company. But now we're gonna go to find something to eat.
On the way to São Vicente.
Yes, there is a espetada, something local that we would like to try it out. And it's on the way for our hotel, so let's see how it's gonna be. So we just arrived in this restaurant. The weather is not really good. And we are supposed to get this espetadas, which is pieces of meat in a stick. But check out the view of this restaurant. Amazing, right? I hope that the food is as good as the view. Oh yeah, the food was fantastic. Very simple but very good. Now we're gonna be going to the hotel. Still like 20-30 minutes to get there. So, and then let's see if tonight we're gonna get some sunset. Right? Yeah. Sunset tonight? Yay, sunset tonight! Just arrived in our guest house and check out the weather. It's looking crazy with all of these clouds. This is just an incredible guest house here. It's so quiet and it's so green and flowers everywhere. It's amazing, and you can hear the roosters actually going off once in a while, and it's so it's so green. This doesn't look very good. But check it out. It's just incredible. Oh, you can really relax here for a long time. Now we're just going to go to find maybe a supermarket, buy some food, don't have anything for the night, and then try to find a nice sunset place. Let's see if we can get anything photographed still today. Stop by in the supermarket now to get some stuff for the bedroom because we don't have anything to eat. grapes. Ahead. We are both super tired because we woke up really early this morning, and after the supermarket just went to the hotel and went to bed a bit, and now we both want to stay in the bed, but now we are going to the sunset place. It's 15 minutes, around 15 minutes away from the hotel. Let's see what we're gonna get there. We just got here, and it seems that the sea is really rough, and there's a lot of spray from the seawater, and I'm not sure. It's looking fantastic. It's looking amazing. This is always amazing here, but I'm not sure how it's gonna be to actually take photos here, because the sea is very rough. Look at this. It's a little bit hard in the north of Madeira, because everywhere the sea is gonna be like this. I'm gonna take a look anyway to see if I can find something, at least that I can stay not so close to the water, but I don't know, it's not looking very good. I mean, the weather, the clouds are fantastic, amazing stuff, but the sea is so rough that I can't get close to it. This is just too dangerous to stay too close. So whoa, that's amazing. Let's see if I can find a foreground point of interest that I don't have to be so close to the water. Look at this. Let's see. The option is to start driving like a maniac somewhere to try to find something. Let me adjust this. Sorry for the noise. Or try to find a composition here and just make the best out of this, because it's too rough. Oh my god, look at that. Woo! Plus the wife is not very interested as well. So I guess, I mean, the sky is looking really good, the waves are amazing, but it's just too harsh. So I'm gonna stay here and try to find something. Hey, it's not looking very good. Like the light is going away very quickly, and I don't have a foreground in interest, so I'm trying to get the waves to play nice. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's a little bit more difficult now than what I would have if I would be going down there where the stones are. Because there's for sure there is more foreground interest, but for up here. That's not so nice. Some test shots. Now that I move here, then everything calms down, all of the waves. Just because I moved here. I guess that was all. There is still some light in this other part here of the island, but I don't know if I want to venture myself on the top of these rocks. But it was not all bad. I got some shots for sure there. Might not be portfolio ready, but then again, how many of those are portfolio ready for in a year? It's difficult to make, right? So the light is completely gone behind me. All the color and the waves, they don't stop. Jesus Christ, look at this. Ooh, oh. Whoa. Watch out. Excuse me? Watch out there, it's really rough. Be careful.